Win your reader's attention by telling a story. No matter what you write, you can find a way to put a story into it. Stories entertain us. When they're told right, they also teach us something. Think of Aesop's Fables, for example, and the parables in the New Testament in the Bible. The most important reason to tell a story, though, is that this will keep your reader reading. I'm Pat Iyer, an author, editor, book coach, and ghostwriter. I've been hooked on stories as soon as I could read. My sister and I used to ride our bikes to our town library and take out as many books as would fit in our bike basket. Here's how you can use stories. Put stories in your blogs and newsletter articles. Stories belong in the communications you send to followers, clients, and potential clients. They should be about a legal case you worked on, something you learned from a client, or something that happened in your personal life. Some people are hesitant about sharing their private lives, and you should never reveal in a way that makes you feel uncomfortable. Your readers see you as real if you reveal in a way that makes you human. The story you tell may mirror something in their lives. Testimonials can be stories. It may be no more than an attorney writing, "I was worried about a medical malpractice case I was pursuing for a plaintiff. I looked long and hard for a well-qualified expert witness. Then I came across Michelle's site. I read the solution she offered. When I spoke to her, I had a good feeling. I used her expert and it helped me settle the case for $1.2 million. This is a story, and this kind of story in testimonial form belongs on your website. When you give a speech or presentation, have stories. Sometimes you find yourself in a long lineup of speakers. How will you stand out? By telling a story. Choose a good one. Write it with a lot of color and appeal to all the senses. Then practice it. Of course, you should practice your entire speech, but give special attention to the story. Make it dramatic. You don't have to be the world's greatest writer to come up with a colorful story. Simply practice the art of storytelling, and it will come naturally. You can get weekly videos just like this when you request our mobile app, which is Biz.edu. Go to legalnursebusiness.com/BIZEDU and fill out the form on that page. Soon you'll be reading blogs, watching videos, listening to Legal Nurse Podcast, requesting our free reports, and taking our courses, all in the palm of your hand. That link again is legalnursebusiness.com/BIZEDU.